and welcome to Prime News. Now a look at the headlines. It's almost done. Sardina out of Lok Sabha seat race. Ticket almost confirmed for Alex Reginald. Congress firm on Ravi Naik for North Goa. Weak and inactive opposition is the result of politics within party. Movin slams senior Rane. Challenges GPCC president to win a smaller level election. E-auction O ready for transportation, but barges are awaiting heavy repairs. Cost up to 20 to 25 lakhs. Barge owners urge bidders for financial help. State embedded in colours of joy and brotherhood. Holi celebrated all over state. And GCA beats Russia by 147 runs in GPL T20 tournament on Monday. Pratnamesh Sarunke slams 136 runs off 55 balls. First batsman to smash a century in the GPL 2014. Now the news in detail. Francisco Sardina, the sitting MP of the Congress party, has almost lost the race of Lok Sabha ticket. Now it is almost certain that the ticket will fall in the lap of Kurtori MLA Alex Reginald. If Alex gets the ticket, then every MLA and congressman is ready to campaign wholeheartedly for him. Congress is firm on Ravi Naik as their North Goa candidate. Congress leaders are waiting for the official announcement with bated breath.
It is almost certain now. Sitting MP Francisco Sardina will be out and Kurtori MLA Alex Reginald will be in for Congress South Goa ticket. Sources claim that High Command has surveyed the political situation in South Goa and decided to reject the name of Sardina as candidate for South Goa. Now, Kurtori MLA Alex Reginald's name runs as the front runner. Dormant and dissident leaders within the state Congress are ready to campaign for Reginald if he is officially announced as the South Goa candidate. Such a report has been submitted to Delhi. Even independent MLAs are ready to extend their support to Reginald. Congress is almost certain to make a shuffle in allotment of South Goa ticket, but it is firm on Ravi Naik's name as North Goa candidate. Senior reporter Laukik Shilkar for Prudent.
Congress in the state is in pitiable condition as political inactive person is holding the post of opposition leader. Congress MLA Movin Gudino has made this sensational statement in a weekly program Head On. Gudino further said that Rahul Gandhi had assured him the post of opposition leader within 15 days, but fixing among Goan Congress leaders led to the appointment of senior Rane. Movin also challenged GPCC President John Fernandez. He said John should prove his worth by winning at least a housing society election where he resides.
You are saying Pratap Singh Rane is a soft opposition leader.
तुम्ही त्याचे परफॉर्मन्स पळया. हुंयचेय असेंब्ली सेशन घे, हे टर्म गेले ते 2 वर्सां. तो लीडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन दिसता उलयता तसो. वागता लीडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन कसो. म्हाका करून ना, म्हाका पहिले सांगले दिल्लीच्यान that you have to be prepared to lead the opposition. Are you prepared? I said I am fully prepared. Last moment बदल जालो. Suddenly बोलदोच मनीस जो exhaust जाला politically हांव समता नवीन कांय दिवपाक शकना गोंयान ताका लीडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन केलो. हांवें अपॉइंटमेंट मागिनासतना म्हाका राहुल गांधीन आपोवपाक धाडलो आनी तेणेय म्हाका एश्युरन्स दिवन सांगले within 15 days to 1 month you will be leader of opposition. म्हाका सांगले लीडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन तरी आसलो. आज हे सरकारूय दुसरेच भाशेन थोडे डिसिजन घेवपाचो आनी आनीकूय बरी डिसिजन घेवपाचो कित्याक खऱ्यांनी कडक ऑपोजिशन आसपाचें हांवें स्पश्ट सांगपाक शकता.
तुजेर आरोप जाता की तुवें मनोहर पर्रीकारा बरोबर फिक्सिंग केला आनी यू आर एन ओपोजिशन टू ओपोजिशन विदिन ओपोजिशन. तू कितें दिसता फिक्सिंग फक्त तुवेंच केला काय बाकीच्या काँग्रेसवाल्यांनी केला?
पळय म्हाका फिक्सिंग करपाची बिलकुल गरज ना.
State President Kelna, now you are firing all the guns at John Fernandez.
I have nothing against John Fernandez. I even challenge him till today. Win a election from his own colony or building or around neighborhood where he is staying. Forget about winning panchayat election. Hezo badal जावपाक शकता. जॉन हॅज टू गिव अनकंडिशनल एपोलॉजी. आपण चुकलो, आपण हे सारखे चुकीचे केले. तांकां मोविन नाका आशिल्लो की मोविन वॉज द बिगस्ट ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन इन टेकिंग सम बॅड डिसिजन्स.
Barge owners are facing tough time in transporting the e-auctioned ore, as it will take them 20 to 25 lakhs to repair their stalled barges and ply them again for ore transportation. Barges are stalled for last 2 years post-mining ban. Adding to the woes, crew members have also shown reluctance to join back their duties on barges due to uncertainty about the resumption of mining operations. Tuesday is the last day for successful bidders to lift the e-auctioned ore. As per the Supreme Court direction, state government conducted e-auctioning of the extracted ore from jetties. Ore is ready for transportation, but the barge owners are not in a position to transport it due to various reasons. The barges need repair and major renovations as they are stalled for nearly 2 years post-mining ban. Barge owners will have to spend 20 to 25 lakhs to repair a barge. Small barges with 1,000 tons capacity need nearly 15 to 20 lakhs, while big barges needs 20 to 25 lakh rupees to venture into the water again. Barge owners blame Mines Department for delayed e-auctioning process, and then there is rough weather which can delay arrival of main ships. Barge owners claim that they are not in a position to buy diesel. Barge owners further say that they need 6,000 litres of diesel and it costs more than 4 lakh rupees. Barge owners are optimistically looking at successful bidders for some financial push. At one side, barge owners are facing many hurdles, and on another side, bidders are not ready to pick up their ore due to low price of iron ore in China market. Deadline for bidders who won the first e-auctioned ore ends on Tuesday. Reporter Mahesh Khadi for Prudent. It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.